Hey guys, welcome back to another Vapor Honing Technologies video. Today I'm here at VCA, Veterans and Community Alliance, and I'm here talking to Chris. Hello Chris.
Hello, how you doing today?
I'm fine. Chris is the co-founder and he's also a veteran. So Chris, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and what do you do here?
I do free or low-cost repairs for veterans and their families. I served 6 years in the Marine Corps as a mechanic, and I've been a mechanic for a living for around 30 years.
Well, thank you for your service.
Thanks, sir.
So back in February, we came here and we did a video about you, your organization, and your first impressions on the wet blasting equipment. What has VCA been up to since we last visited?
Since February, we've done around 150 repairs. We've been very busy helping veterans and their families. We've been transporting veterans to appointments and been overall staying really busy. And found out lately that there's an aircraft museum in Hickory, and we volunteer the blasting cabinet for any kind of restoration jobs they may have.
Could you tell us your experience with the wet blasting cabinet?
This thing is fantastic. I've used it on old rusty parts. I've used it on parts that are just dirty from high mileage. Some parts that are just damaged. And cleaning the part up before repairing them just makes life so much easier. When
using the wet blasting machine, have you used this process on projects for VCA for the past couple of months?
I use it at least once a week.
Oh, really? Okay.
Absolutely. I mean, I was saying before, when parts are really rusty or just really dirty from lots of mileage, and it cleans these things up like they're brand new.
Why should people use wet blasting over sandblasting?
Well, it's like comparing apples to oranges. Dry blasting works really well, but it's very dusty, and it's not as efficient as far as recovering your media. This particular system, because of the water that's in it, it keeps the dust down, it's easier to see what you're doing, and it's much easier to recover the blasting media.
Would you recommend this process to anybody that's, working on engines, automotives, or motorcycle parts?
Absolutely, and even outside that, people who are doing any kind of restoration product made out of metal, absolutely anything whatsoever.
Well, thank you for your time, Chris. It was great seeing you again.
Same.
If you want to help donate, the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time.